In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize reports in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're tracking finances, analyzing trends, or preparing for tax season, the ability to tailor reports to fit your unique needs is an essential skill. QuickBooks Online offers powerful tools to help you adjust and refine your reports with just a few clicks. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. To begin, look at the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on the Reports tab. This is where all your reporting options are neatly organized. Once there, you'll see a list of standard reports that QuickBooks provides. Take a moment to locate the specific report you want to customize. These reports are grouped by categories like profit and loss, balance sheet, and so on to make your search easier. When you've found the report you want to modify, click on it to open it. QuickBooks will take a moment to generate the contents of the report, so simply wait while it loads. Once the report is open, you'll see the default data displayed. But don't worry, this is just the starting point. You can make changes to reflect exactly what you need. The first thing you might want to adjust is the report period. To do this, head to the options in the top left corner of the customization tools. Here, you can specify the time frame you'd like to view. For example, you can choose a specific month, quarter, year, or even set a custom date range. This flexibility ensures that you're focusing on the most relevant data for your needs. Next, let's move on to customizing the contents of the report itself. Look to the top right corner of the customization tools, where you'll find a variety of options to tailor the data. If you'd like to compare your current data with previous periods, such as past months or years, you can select the comparison options available. This is a great way to spot trends or track progress over time. To narrow down the information displayed, you can apply filters. These allow you to focus on specific categories of data, ensuring that your report is clean and targeted. For example, you might filter by customer, product, or account. For clearer organization, you can also customize how the data is displayed in columns. You can add or separate data into columns based on certain categories, making it easier to analyze and interpret the information at a glance. Finally, once you've made all your adjustments and are satisfied with the customized report, don't forget to save your work. Look for the Save button in the top right corner of the page and click it to preserve your changes. This ensures that your customized settings will be ready the next time you need to access this report. And that's it. You've successfully customized a report in QuickBooks Online. With these tools, you can create reports that are tailored precisely to your needs, saving you time and helping you make smarter financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.